Thank you for joining our video today here in the GTA Toronto. So we just finished and completed a nice master bathroom here in Aurora. 35 years in the business, and we're just showing our before and middle and after videos of this nice bathroom, and showing off our tile installations. What we have here is a nice 24 by 24. Looks like a nice marble floor, but it's a porcelain, 3/8 thick, standard size, very popular with people's choices. We also have here a nice size shower. We have a nice Calacatta tile here, 18 inches by about 34 inches. Nice big tile. It is porcelain. It does look like marble. That's the advantage of these days with porcelains. There used to be always marble. Now it's all porcelain. So what we have here is a nice niche with the Carrera thresholds, 3/8 thick, with a beveled edge, and a nice seat that the real estate owner wanted. This was her design, this is her choice, so this is what we give the clients, we install. If you're looking for this type of service in the GTA Toronto, please give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'll gladly come over and give you a price and get your project started right and finished right. So I'm zooming in here. We got a nice sit-down tub with a nice feature wall, again with the same type of tile. The white Carrera. Nice big tiles, nice joints, nice and tight. All nice and straight. So this is what we do. What we have here now on this floor underneath is we have dry packs. So what we did was heated floors underneath, wire system or mat. This happens to be a mat, roll down, heated from New Heat, and we lay the tile on top, and they're gonna have a nice cozy warm floor whenever they decide to come into the bathrooms. We have a stand-up sink counter with all the baseboards underneath. So this is what you could have at your place if this is your design, this is your choice, this is your look. We're just showing off some examples of our installation. Basically, we do all type of installation of tile, all sizes and so on. Kitchen, bath, basements, leveling all the basements, leveling all the floors in old houses, new homes, custom homes, doesn't matter, for a hardwood, carpet, or tile, basically. So again, decided to do a finished video here. Check out our website, prestigetilinstallers.ca. You can click onto the video section, look at how we level off all the floors before we do any type of installations for water heated system, 1/2-inch pipes, or heated cables for warm up or new heat, and so on. We start the whole process, and we finish it complete. So again, I'll leave you off here with our name and phone number to give us a call. Any questions that you need to get answered and don't know, we will gladly help you answer all your questions and get things started right, which helps because there's so many contractors out there, and it's tough to pick the right contractor that's gonna come up with the right ideas and have the project run smoothly, get it done. In this whole bathroom would be a couple of weeks between demoing it and getting all the tile installations totally finished. Okay, so our website is prestigetilinstallers.ca. Our phone number is 416-937-8115. And again, we service the GTA Toronto. So looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Thank you.